Hey family, it's me, Cree, and today I'm going to be cooking baked macaroni and cheese. And here are the ingredients. I have some sugar, 1 egg, some seasoned salt, some butter cut up, I have some pepper, I have some half and half and some whole milk together. I have about a cup and a half of elbow macaroni. Here I have Wisconsin, New York, and Vermont sharp cheeses. I have some Gouda here, and I have some mild cheddar. We're going to take this cup and a half of mac and cheese and boil it, cook it for 5 minutes because we want it to be al dente and finish baking in the oven. Salt your water well. You're just going to add in your macaroni. And like I said, set your timer if you have to. And cook it for 5 minutes. Drain. And leave it in the pan. I wanted to show you how to temper your egg so that it won't scramble in your macaroni. That's it. You just add. And then when you put it in your mix, it won't scramble, which is terrible. One more. Cooked 5 minutes and drained. Now we're going to add in some of the milk. All of it. The egg. Oops, made a mess. Couple pieces of the butter. Well, all of it. I don't know why I'm saying a couple pieces. Just add it all in. Toss it. Let's add some pepper. Some seasoning salt. That's enough. Some sugar. Just a little bit. You don't want it to taste sugary, just to balance everything out. Now we're going to start adding in our cheeses. I've already got most of my dinner done for Sunday. I always cook it. I think I've mentioned that before, but I always try to always cook my Sunday dinner on Saturday so that I can do pretty much what I want to do on Sunday, which is much of nothing. And I pack it up and put it in the fridge, and all I have to do is pull it out and warm it up on Sundays. Give yourself a break, like I always say. Always take time out for yourself. If you like it really cheesy, then add some more. I think I'm going to add some more because my grandson is here, and this is another one of his favorites, which is one of the reasons I'm cooking it. Add a little bit more. Come on. And you're going to need some for the top as well. Add a little more Gouda. I don't like it crazy cheesy. Gonna mix that. And that's about it. You can feel when it starts to get tight with cheese. There you go. And we're going to put it in the pan that I have buttered. Hopefully to get it crisp at the bottom. I like it crisp around the sides and at the bottom. Here's my buttered pan. I added just a little more pepper because I like to see my pepper in my mac and cheese as well as taste it. I have my oven heating at 350. Gonna add some more on the top. Let me see. And I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to let it cook until the sides are nice and bubbly, and the top is starting to brown. And here you have it, baked macaroni and cheese. You still want it to be tender. I just have it slightly brown on the top because you still want it to be tender on top. And I promised someone a bite with me. Get some out for Chris. Ooh. This is for you, Chris. Let me plate some up. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I had a good time. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for them. Pray for you. Pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. It's all that we have. A hope and a prayer. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Be well, guys. Later.